In this video, you'll learn how many self-directed IRA rollovers you can perform per year. A self-directed IRA rollover is the simple process of moving funds from an existing retirement account into a self-directed IRA. This helps you maintain the tax-advantaged status of your retirement funds without signaling their removal as distribution. How often can this be done? Direct versus indirect rollover. Direct rollover refers to funds being moved directly between two different types of retirement accounts. An example would be moving from a 401k to a self-directed IRA. An indirect rollover releases the funds initially to you, the account holder. This is when the 60-day rollover rule comes into effect. 60-day distribution rollover rule. Regardless of your specific type of retirement account, if you choose to complete an indirect rollover, you have exactly 60 days to place these funds in your self-directed IRA. Take note of certain restrictions. You can only perform a 60-day or indirect rollover once a year or every 12 months across all your IRA accounts. This rule does not apply to direct rollovers. If you're doing this through a previous employer's 401k which you're permitted to roll over, then you can consider distributing the money and returning it to a qualified IRA account. A non-spousal inherited IRA is not permitted to perform a 60-day rollover. Want to explore more self-directed IRA concepts? Subscribe to our channel. Have questions about initiating a rollover? Our specialists are here to help. Call us today. Experience exceptional service for your exciting investment opportunities at Madison Trust.